Good morning, boys and girls. Today we have a social studies class, and today we're going to learn about Squanto, a special American Indian. But first of all, go for your book, for your book, on page 95. 95. 95. Ready? Okay. So, who was Squanto? Squanto was an American Indian. He lived long ago. He helped the pilgrims. The pilgrims were new to America. They did not know how to live here. Squanto showed them the pilgrims how to grow corn. He showed them how to catch fish. He helped them get syrup from trees. Wow, Squanto was a very important people, very important Native American Indian. Okay, so Squanto was very important. He grew up near what is today the city of Massachusetts. Massachusetts, okay? So, he was a member of a big tribe, okay? One of the largest tribe of Americans of United States, okay? So, as a tribe boy, he will have learned how to hunt with a bow and arrow at an early age, okay? Much of his childhood will have been spent following around adult men and learning man's skill, such as fishing, hunting, and plant. He used to plant, okay? Corn and squash and other seeds, okay? So he was very intelligent because he knew how to teach the pilgrims those activities, okay? So Squanto was a very important Indian, okay? European explorers arrived in North America, and one of them was Captain George, arrived near Squanto's home searching for gold, okay? But he didn't find it, any gold, and he decided to capture some of the local Native American and take them back to England. Wow. One of the men he captured was Squanto. Okay? Was Squanto. He was captured. Squanto lived in England for a while, learning English. He eventually got a job as an interpreter and a scout for Captain John Smith, who was going to explore Massachusetts. Okay? Then, okay, he returned to America. Then, and he became a very important people of his tribe, like the most important people. Okay, let's see a short story about Squanto, okay?
Squanto was a Native American. He was a member of the Patuxet people. They lived in a place we now call Massachusetts. Pilgrims came to North America on a ship called the Mayflower. They came from England. Squanto talked with them. He knew how to speak English. Squanto was a helper. He helped the Pilgrims get to know other Native Americans. Squanto was a guide. He took the Pilgrims to the river to catch fish. He showed the Pilgrims where to hunt. Squanto was a teacher. He taught the pilgrims how to plant corn. He put fish into the ground along with the corn seeds. That made the soil better for growing corn. Squanto was a friend. He showed the pilgrim children where to find nuts and berries. Squanto had taught the pilgrims many things. Soon, the pilgrims harvested their crops. They had corn, beans, and squash. The pilgrims decided to have a harvest feast. They invited Squanto and other Native Americans. They all ate together and gave thanks.
So, Squanto was the famous Native American. Okay? He was the first Native American who was present on Thanksgiving. He traveled extensively through Europe and spoke fluent English. By the time he helped the settlers prepare the land for cultivation, he was a helper, he was a warrior, and he was a very important Native American, okay? So, this is for today. We see you on the next class. Bye bye.